Hello UPSC aspirants. So today morning I got this Byjus IAS study materials package. So let's unbox this. Okay, so before that I have already uploaded this tablet video. You can find the video of this unboxing in the description. Okay, so let's put this and let's unbox this. Okay, so I have covered every descriptions, every details of the Byjus IAS materials, the package and how you can apply for loan and all everything. You can find that video in which I have done unboxing of the tablet, in which I have described every program, means every lecture and all, how is it arranged and all. You can find that video in the description. So please don't forget to check that. It's so much valuable for you. So okay, so let's unbox this Byjus IAS material. Okay, so I have been told that there will be 18 books in this package, in this Byjus IAS study materials. So let's open it and see if it is there or not. What are the books you can find in the Byjus IAS material? Okay, so this is Byjus IAS World History. This is Geography. This is Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. This is Governance, Society and Social Justice. This is Internal Relations. This is Indian Economy. This is Science and Tech. This is Environmental Studies by Iraq Parusha. This is Disaster Management and Internal Security. So this is I think this covers whole CSAT thing. You can cover in this preliminary examination. The whole CSAT thing you need to prepare is in this single book. Okay, so zoom in. This is Atlas. This covers every single map with all updated things, Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh and all, everything. This is the history package. History of Modern India by Bipan Chandra. This is Ancient Past by R.S. Sharma. And this is History of Medieval India by Satish Chandra. This is Indian Art and Culture. Okay, so this is GS for preliminary paper, first and 2. This contains all the solved paper from 2001 to 2019. This is Ethics and Integrity and Aptitude. And the final thing, this is for General Studies. All the main solved papers with all the main solved papers. Okay, so let's focus one by one on each and every book. This is over. This is all. Okay, so here are the all 18 books you will get in the Byjus IAS package. Here are all the 18 books, and with that the lectures and the tablet which you will get, and about the web portal which you will get after choosing this IAS package from Byjus. Everything is in detail in my previous video. You can find the link to that video in description. So let's describe each and every books. You can find one single photo at the end of the description, and also the detailed summary of all the books, and it is authored by whom and whom. You can find everything in the descriptions with all the authors' name. Okay, so all the books here you can see are all recommended for UPSC preparation. You can see I'll show you one by one all the books. Here you can see this is Indian Economy. In first row, all these books are prepared by Byjus IAS team. These are I think these are prepared for notes type thing. Here everything is so unique. These all are prepared by the team. And in second row you can see these are all authored by top authors which are so much recommended for UPSC preparation, like Lakshmikant. This is by Oxford. R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, Bipan Chandra. and this Niti Singhania for Indian art and culture. This is ethics, and this is environmental studies by Rak Parucha. Okay, this is atlas. Here every map is there, for world map, Indian map, everything. This is for general studies preparation. All this here are solved papers for mains. It is for prelims. All the papers are there from 11 to 19, and this is for CSAT preparation. This whole books, it is for CSAT preparation.